So now that I have my mug hollowed out, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to make my mug more comfortable to drink out of. Right now there are these sharp edges on the top of the mug. There's also a sharp edge on the bottom of the mug, which doesn't make it look very nice. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to smooth out these edges so that it's more comfortable to use. Okay, I'm going to show you two different options for how you could do that. Okay, the two commands we're going to be looking at are under Modify, and they're called Fillet and Chamfer. Okay, to demonstrate the two of them, I am going to go ahead and show you on this box that I have created over here. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, let's start with the fillet. Okay, it says it's going to create rounded edges. Alright, so you select the edge that you want to round. Let's say I want to edge the the bottom of my cube. Okay, so I'm going to select that edge. Now I can grab the arrow, or I can type in what the fillet radius will be. Okay, right now I have linear snap on 1, so I'm kind of restricted on what I can do as far as the fillet goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my linear snap while I'm using this command, and that way I can create a fillet of whatever radius I would like. Basically what it does is it rounds out the edge with just the edge being a circle of the radius that you give it. So you could type in what the radius is for this circle at the bottom. Keep in mind it doesn't fill out the whole circle, it's just that edge that ends up getting rounded. Or I can use the dragging the arrow to select an appropriate fillet. Okay, so that's the fillet command. It rounds out your edges. Now let's go ahead and take a look at chamfer to see how that one's different. So modify, I'll go to chamfer. Okay, I still have linear snap off. I'm going to select my edge. Let's apply it to the top edge of my prism. Okay, I can grab the arrow, or I can type in the distance, and you can see as I add the chamfer, it creates a 45-degree angle between the two surfaces that you are chamfering between. Okay, so you can see chamfer, and if I rotate, I can see the difference. Creates a 45-degree angle between the two surfaces that you are of the edge that you selected, and the fillet rounds out the edges. So go ahead and either add some fillet or some chamfer to the top surfaces and the bottom of your mug. Don't forget that there is an interior and an exterior edge to the top of your mug.